Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Chambers.
So, remember last lesson, we went over solving one-step equations? So that was a problem such as 2x is equal to 6. So, does anyone remember how to do this type of problem? Katie?
Divide both sides by 2.
Okay, we did, that's great. So then what do you get your answer? What's your answer?
3. X equals 3.
So why did you divide both sides by 2?
Because you multiply 2 times x to get 6, you divide 2 times x to get 6 to find out what x is.
That's very close. I understand what you're saying. That's so like Katie said, we have 2x is equal to 6, so if we want to get x by itself, we divide both sides by 2 and get x is equal to 3. So these types of problems we're pretty confident with. We went over a lot of them last class and everyone seemed to do well. So I think we can move on to a more challenging problem. So, what if I gave you all a problem like this? 2x plus 3 is equal to 6. Last time, there's only one thing we could do. Divide by 2 on both sides to get x by itself. Yes, Zach?
Take 3 from both sides.
That is correct. I'll get to that in a second. So yes, we subtract 3 from both sides. But I'm going to explain why we do that. So, in this problem, it looks like you could either divide by 2 or add 3, or subtract by 3 to get x by itself. But neither one would get x by itself. So, you're going to have to take multiple steps here. So, the way that we identify what we do first is look at what is happening to the x first. So, due to the order of operations, which we've covered extensively, you multiply x by 2 before you add 3 to it. So, if you're trying to reverse this process, you need to subtract 3 first and then divide by 2. So like Zach said, we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. And this gives us 2x is equal to 3. So, would anyone like to help me finish solving this problem?
No, wait, never mind.
Hannah?
I think you divide both sides by 2.
Okay, and so what is our answer?
X equals 3 over 2.
Good job. So, a really useful tip for remembering how to do these is that you reverse the addition or subtraction first, and then you do the multiplication and division. So addition and subtraction first, and then multiplication and division. So I'm going to give you all a different problem. So, based on what I just taught y'all, what do y'all think y'all should do first in this problem? Grayson?
Subtract by 1 on both sides.
Okay, why are we doing that?
Because to get x by itself, you must eliminate the 1 on the side with x.
So why aren't you multiplying by 2 first?
Because you want to reverse the order of operations, so you would want to do your addition and subtraction before you did your multiplication and division.
Correct. So now we have x over 2 is equal to 6. Would anyone like when we finish this problem? Katie?
Multiply by 2 on both sides.
Correct. And we end up with our answer. Okay, to check and make sure we did everything right on problems like this, we can plug 12, or whatever we get our answer at 4x to be, back into the original problem. So, if we do this, 12 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to what? So what is 12 divided by 2? 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So we plugged it back in and we got the exact same answer as our original problem. So we know we got this problem right.
Two-step equations can be fun. You must undo what has been done. Abstract first, divide by second, x by itself, check yourself. Two-step equations can be fun. You must undo what has been done.